Yeah, you know, say enough get our youth out there today, brethren. What? You know, say why? Now the government now run nothing for them, brethren. You know, say the streets are empty. You know, say the pockets are empty. So the youth them hungry. You know, say the youth them are struggling. So them a start juggling. You know, I want to get caught in the game. Them I want to be gangsters. Tell me what they're fighting for. Lord, want to be gangsters. Fighting without no war. Ba-wa-da-da-dan-dan-dan-dan. 2015, they get to get in a top. Nobody can get a job, so them a turn drug shotter. Them a sell drugs to the people and I see what them matter. Them not talk about food when them got big maca. Them not talk about football when them go and take shotter. Them a bus shot in the streets and them a bus in the blocker. See me, say hard life, me know about that. Yes, me know about scraping from the bottom of the butter. Me know how it feels to lose your mother and your brother. Well, still coming in now, say with the bass and fire. Say I